Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your PSN password on your PlayStation 5. And this is super simple. Go up to the top and go to settings right here and select this. Scroll on down to users and accounts and select this. Then under accounts, wait for this to load and then go to the right and go to where it says security. Then under here, we can go on down to where it says password. And this will allow us to change our PSN password on our PlayStation 5. Now, I do have my sign in with the passkey enabled, so I would have to go up to the top right here and then disable this first before I can change that setting. And this is all done through the mobile application on my phone. If you download the PlayStation app on your Android device or your iPhone, you can go ahead and adjust that setting right there. But to change your password, simply select this if you do not have it activated, and you will be good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.